Hey everyone, Jake at Resurrection here. Just want to do a real short video and showcase this new project that just came in. This is a very special car, like most of the cars we work on, but this one's kind of extra special to me personally because I've spent so much of my own personal time researching and studying the early Pontiac Ram Air cars. Some of you probably remember a few years ago we had a 67 Ram Air GTO in the shop, also a super rare car. This is a Ram Air Firebird for 1967, and they only made 65 of these cars. So I never thought I'd see one, let alone have one here in the shop to work on. So this is super special for me. Out of the 65 they made, only 39 of them were stick shift and hardtop. And then there are very few that remain today. The last I heard, and this number could have changed since then, but I think about 6 or 7 years ago, they had only accounted for 12 of these cars in total. So very, very few remain. And out of those 12, a few of them did not even have the correct engines in them. So very rare car, very few left. Definitely an exciting project to work on. Basically, the Ram Air cars, for those who don't know, they were specifically designed, engineered, engine-wise, to basically output the most power they could. These were essentially a factory race car. So only a lucky 65 people got to order this car, and like I said, they were used for racing. They beat on them and they used them, and that's what they made them for. So you'll see this car, it's kind of like stuck in time. It has like old school Mickey Thompson valve covers and just, some of those goofy aftermarket go fast goodies from the day. So what we're going to be doing is basically putting this car back to how it rolled off the assembly line when it was brand new. So we're going to be changing out all the incorrect pieces in the engine bay, putting that back correctly, putting on correct wheels and tires, things of that nature. Some of the suspension was also changed, so we're going to have to swap that around. I'll show you real quick here. There's only going to be a couple people that even know what this is or appreciate this, but right there's 997 cast onto the heads. And that shows you those are Type 2 Ram Air heads. So that was late in the production year. They redesigned the heads. So that is, super rare. I can't even tell you how rare this is. So very, very cool car. Very excited about this project. But it's been sitting for a while. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it is dusty and dirty and moldy on the seats. But it needs a good going through, good cleaning. The car is in really great shape. It just needs to be kind of given a little TLC. I like this here, the old school tack that was mounted on the column at one point. Like I said, it's kind of stuck in time. And in the trunk, we have most of the pieces that we're going to need. We have the original intake, the exhaust manifolds, the Ram Air manifolds, the pan, even the mono leaf springs that still have the factory sticker tags on them, which is wild. So we have most of the pieces we need. I'll be posting more about this car once we get into it, but it just showed up today. I was a little too excited to not at least take a quick video and show you guys. I know that anyone that's into muscle cars, especially Pontiacs, the name Ram Air, the history of these cars to some extent. You know that they're special, and they were very, very fast. So very, very cool car. I'll be posting more of this once we get into it, but that's about it for now, and thanks for watching.